Have you been dreaming about moving into a new home but feel stuck because you need to sell your current one first? You're not alone. This is a challenge so many homeowners face, but here's the good news. It's absolutely possible. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make that happen step by step without the stress. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sherry Hill, and this is Living in the High Desert of Southern California, where we talk about everything from the Inland Empire to the mountains and deserts to the beaches and big cities, and all the amazing things that make this area so special. Whether it's local tips, real estate advice, or exciting updates, I've got you covered. And you're going to want to stay until the end because I have something special just for you. Okay, first, let's talk about the first step, which is your numbers. This is the foundation of everything. The very first thing you need to do is get pre-approved for a mortgage. This not only gives you a clear idea of your budget for your new home, but it also makes your offers much more attractive to sellers. Sellers love seeing that pre-approval letter. It shows you're serious and ready to make the move. Next, we'll figure out how much you need from the sale of your current home to make that transition comfortable. This step is essential to avoid any surprises down the line. When you meet with a mortgage lender, you'll discuss your financial goals and they'll guide you through the approval process. They'll look at the key factors like your credit score. High scores often mean better loan terms. Debt to income ratio. Lenders want to see that your monthly debt is manageable. And income stability. Having consistent income is a big plus for lenders. If you don't have a mortgage lender, don't worry. I work closely with a few fantastic ones who can guide you through this process. Just let me know and I will connect you with them. Step 2, lean on professionals. Buying and selling at the same time can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. The secret? Leaning on professionals. Your mortgage lender will help handle the financial side of things. But as your agent, my job is to tackle the heavy lifting, from coordinating timelines to negotiating your terms and navigating any challenges that come up. I've got your back. This process is what I do, and I'll be right by your side every step of the way. With the right team, buying and selling at the same time can actually be exciting and, yes, even enjoyable. Step 3, prepare your current home. This is where things start to get real. If you want to sell your home quickly and for top dollar, it needs to shine. Here's how we do it. You make small repairs. Fix those little things that can turn buyers off, like leaky faucets, chip paint, or even those squeaky doors. Declutter and clean. This is important. Less is more. A clean, organized home helps buyers see the full potential. Stage your home. This is my jam. Staging is all about creating a warm, welcoming space where buyers can imagine their future. If you are not sure where to start, I actually have a checklist that walks you through each room as if you were the buyer. Email me and I'll send it over to you. It is a lifesaver. Step 4, price it right. Pricing your home is critical. It can make it or break it. Homes priced right from the start tend to sell faster and for more money. Overpricing might sound tempting, but it can actually hurt by keeping your home on the market for too long. I have some strategies that we will work through together. I will analyze the market to find the sweet spot that attracts serious buyers and gets you the best results. Pricing your home correctly is one of the most important steps in the process. Step 5, timing matters. Coordinating that sale of your current home with the purchase of your new one is where things can get a little tricky. But don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll aim to align the closing dates as closely as possible. And if timing doesn't line up perfectly, we have options like leasebacks, short term housing, or even bridge financing to make that transaction smoother. This is where you talk about it with your lender. Here's the best part. You won't be left without a place to live, though. I'll make sure you're comfortable and confident every step of the way. Step 6, use contingency clauses. Contingencies are your safety net during this process. For example, a sale contingency allows you to back out of buying a new home if your current one doesn't sell in time. A purchase contingency protects you if you can't find a new home before selling. These clauses are incredibly helpful and can reduce stress when buying and selling at the same time. Step 7, marketing your home. Most buyers will see your home online first, so professional photos and videos are non-negotiable. With eXp Realty and my team, your home will get maximum exposure through a network of over 86,000 agents in 27 countries. We will also discuss marketing plans like listing your home on the best day of the week and holding open houses and hosting mega open houses. It's all about getting as many eyes on your property as possible. We will go over all of this in more detail when we actually meet. Step 8, be ready for showings. Showings are your home's moment to shine. Here are a few quick tips to make a great impression on showing day. Sweep the porch and add a welcoming touch like a wreath. Open curtains, turn on those lights, and set the temperature to a comfortable level. Remove personal items and make sure the home smells fresh. Some people even like to bake some cookies. Small touches can make a big difference and help buyers fall in love with your home. 9, have a backup plan. Sometimes things don't go perfectly, and that's okay. If there's a gap between selling your current home and moving into your new one, have a backup plan. Options like staying with family, renting short term, or using bridge financing can help. I'll work with you to ensure you're prepared for any scenario. Step 10, staying organized. Finally, here we are. Keep all your documents, contracts, and deadlines in one place. These days, most things are done through email and e-signatures, but if paper signing works better for you, I can absolutely accommodate that. Remember, this process is all about you and your goals. I am here to make it as easy and smooth as possible. And here's the exciting part. I've created a free guide packed with everything we talked about today and more. There's checklists, insider tips, and so much more. Just send me an email, shoot me a text message, or give me a call, and I'll send it your way completely free. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with somebody who's thinking about making that move. And if you're ready to get started, reach out. I would love to help make your next move stress-free and successful. You can email me, text me, or even give me a call. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.